Hello everyone, I will explain about the reciprocating pump. A reciprocating pump works by moving a piston back and forth inside a cylinder. This movement allows the pump to draw liquid into the chamber and then push it out with each stroke. Because the pump delivers almost the same amount of fluid in every cycle, it is classified as a positive displacement pump. This type of pump is well known for producing very high pressure even though the flow rate is usually low. It is commonly used in systems that require steady and precise flow of liquids. Reciprocating pumps can handle different types of fluids, including thick liquids and fluid that contain small particles. They are widely used in water supply systems, chemical dosing, oil and gas industry, and hydraulic equipment. In terms of capacity, reciprocating pumps can vary widely. They can deliver flow rates from only a few liters per minute up to several thousand liters per minute, depending on the size and design of the piston that moves back and forth inside the cylinder. This piston is connected to a crankshaft with the help of connecting rod. When the motor rotates the crankshaft converts the rotary motion into reciprocating motion, and this reciprocating motion is transferred to a piston using the connecting rod. Therefore, the piston starts reciprocating. During this motion, when the piston moves back in the cylinder, it creates a low pressure inside the cylinder. Due to this low pressure, the water from the tank is sucked into the cylinder. These are non-return valves. This valve is a suction valve and this a delivery valve. This valve play an important role during the working of this. I will explain the operating principle of the reciprocating pump. Basically, the pump works using two main strokes. The first one is called the suction stroke. When the piston moves backward, it creates a low pressure area inside the cylinder. This low pressure causes the liquid to be drawn into the pump chamber through the inlet valve. The second stroke is the discharge stroke. When the piston moves forward, the pressure inside the cylinder increases, forcing the liquid to flow out through the outlet valve. You can watch the video provided to clearly see how the suction stroke works.
When the piston moves back in the cylinder, it creates a low pressure inside the cylinder. Due to this low pressure, the water from the tank is sucked into the cylinder. These are non-return valves. This valve is a suction valve, and this is a delivery valve. These valves play an important role during the working of this pump.
There are two main types of pump action. The first is single-acting pump. In a single-acting pump, the fluid is pumped only during one stroke, which is the discharge stroke. Suction happens during the return stroke. The second is double-acting pump. In a double-acting pump, the fluid is pumped during both the forward and backward strokes. This type uses two suction valves and two discharge valves to provide a more continuous flow. You can watch the video provided to better understand the difference and working principles of both single and double-acting pumps.
The suction valve allows the water to flow inside the cylinder. During this time, the delivery valve remains closed. As the piston starts moving towards the left, the suction valve closes and the delivery valve opens. Due to the pushing action of the piston, the water goes out from the discharge valve to the delivery side. This is how the single-acting reciprocating pump works. But with this type of pump, there is a drawback. That is, single-acting pumps discharge on either the forward or return stroke of the piston or plunger. Every cycle of the pump displaces only one volume of liquid. As you can see during the suction process, there is no delivery of liquid at the discharge side. To get discharge during both strokes, we use a double-acting reciprocating pump. This is the design of a double-acting reciprocating pump. The driving mechanism of this pump is also the same as a single-acting pump. The only difference is in the design of the cylinder. In this pump, the cylinder is divided into two chambers, and the piston moves back and forth inside the cylinder. As the piston moves forward, the discharge valve opens and the liquid is discharged from the forward chamber into the discharge line. But during this same stroke, the chamber behind the piston is being filled through the inlet valve present in it. And when the piston moves backward, the discharge valve present in this chamber opens and the liquid is discharged from the behind chamber into the discharge line. But during this same stroke, the inlet valve present in the left chamber opens, and the liquid gets filled in the left chamber. This is how a double-acting reciprocating pump gives discharge during both strokes. At the time of suction, the suction valve allows the water to flow inside the cylinder. During this time, the delivery valve remains closed. As the piston starts moving towards the left, the suction valve closes and the delivery valve opens. Due to the pushing action of the piston, the water goes out from the discharge valve to the delivery side. This is how the single-acting reciprocating pump.
Reciprocating piston pumps are used. Actually, reciprocating piston pumps are being used in industry such as oil and gas industry, chemical industry, food and beverage industry, cleaning or water jet industry, and water treatment industry. So now it's about oil and gas industry. Oil and gas industry use a triplex mud pump. What is actually a triplex mud pump? The triplex mud pump is the type of reciprocating piston pumps used in oil and gas drilling. It has 3 pistons that work alternately to produce high pressure and high flow rate, making it suitable for deep drilling operations. So, it's used in oil and gas. Triplex mud pumps are mainly used to circulate drilling mud, cool and lubricate the drill bit, carry rock cuttings to the surface, and maintain well pressure to prevent blowout. They are also used during cementing and well completion operation. So, how it actually works? It works using 3 pistons moving back and forth. When one piston pushes fluid out, the others follow fluid in. This creates a more continuous flow, stable pressure, and less precision. The drilling mud is pumped down the drill string and returns to the surface through the anneals. So next, it is about chemical industry. Chemical industry use dosing piston pump. What is it used for? A dosing piston pump is used to inject a precious and controlled amount of chemical into a process system. It is commonly used in applications that require high accuracy and repeatability, such as adding chemicals into reactors, chemical formulation and blending, pH control in production systems, and also feeding additives, catalysts, acids, or solvents. So, how does it work? The dosing piston pump operates based on the positive displacement and the reciprocating piston principle. During the backward stroke, a fixed amount of chemical is drawn into the pump chamber. During the forward stroke, the chemical is injected into the process line. Each stroke delivers a constant volume, ensuring a correct dosing. Flow rate can be adjusted by changing the stroke length or speed. Then, now it is about food and beverage industry. Food and beverage industry use sanitary piston pump. What is it used for? The sanitary piston pump is used to transfer and dose food-grade liquids under strict hygienic conditions. Its common applications include: first, pumping viscose products such as sauces, syrups, yogurt, dairy, and dressing. Second, it is precise dosing of ingredients and additives. Third, CIP, clean in place, which is cleaning process. Fourth, it's hygienic product transfer without contamination. So how does it work actually? Okay, the pump operates using a reciprocating piston mechanism. From backward stroke, throws the product into the chamber, and forward stroke, push the product out. And check valves control one-way flow, and smooth internal surface ensure accurate volume transfer and easy cleaning. So, what about cleaning or water jet industry? Cleaning or water jet industry use plumbing pump. What is it used for? A plumbing pump is used to deliver high-pressure fluid in cleaning and water jet applications, such as: first, industrial paint spraying and coating; 2, high-pressure surface cleaning and pressure washing; 3, water jet cutting of metals and hard materials; 4, industrial. I'm listening to the facts about the advantages of reciprocating piston pump. First, high pressure capability, which is able to generate very high pressures up to around 10,000 psi, making it suitable for systems with high total system heat and vertical lift. 2, accurate and constant flow rate, which is provide precious control of volumetric flow rate, which is important for applications requiring consistent and controlled fluid delivery. 3, suitable for various fluid properties, which is can handle high viscosity fluids, non-Newtonian fluids, and fluids under high pressure without significant loss of performance. 4, high efficiency, which is low internal leakage results in better energy efficiency compared to many other pump types. 5, long service life, which with proper lubrication and maintenance, the pump offers reliable operation and long operational life. Now, we already know about the advantages of reciprocating piston pump. Let us move to the disadvantages of reciprocating piston pump. Then now, I will explain to you guys about the disadvantages of reciprocating piston pump. First, high initial cost, which is because the complex design and durable materials lead to higher purchase and installation costs. 2, high maintenance requirement, which is because regular inspection and maintenance of pistons, valves, and cells are required to prevent wear and leakage. Third, not suitable for large flow rates, which is because it is more suitable for high pressure applications rather than large capacity fluid transfer. 4, irregular flow rate, which is because the reciprocating motion causes irregular flow rate, which may require pressure stabilizers to reduce vibration and pressure fluctuations. 5, sensitive to fluid cleanliness. Fluid containing abrasive particles can cause fault and seal damage, so proper filtration is necessary. And 6, large size and heavy structure, which requires careful consideration of pump arrangement and installation location due to its size and weight. Its advantages and disadvantages also represent the factors influence the choice of pump. So now we are already know about advantages and disadvantages of reciprocating piston pump. So now let's go to the next. In conclusion, the reciprocating piston pumps are positive displacement pumps that operate using a piston mechanism to deliver high pressure, accurate and controlled flow. They are widely used in industries such as chemical, food and beverage, water-driven, cleaning, and oil and gas due to their reliability and ability to handle different fluid properties. However, their high cost maintenance needs and pulsating flow must be considered when selecting the pumps. Bye!